If you've been thinking about starting an online business, creating a digital product, or making money online, but you keep getting stuck on where to begin, this is for you. Most people do not fail because they lack potential. They fail because they're overwhelmed. Too many ideas, too much conflicting advice, too many people telling them to build a brand, grow followers, learn ads, create funnels, become an expert, and somehow do it all at once. It becomes so heavy that they do nothing. That is exactly why this was created. The Build and Launch Guide gives you a clear, beginner friendly roadmap to go from confused and stuck to having a real digital product ready to sell, even if you have no clue what product to create right now, even if you are not tech savvy, even if you've started and quit before. Inside, I break it down step by step. First, we help you identify the best product idea based on your real skills, story, experiences, and what people actually need help with. Then we show you how to use AI to help build it faster. Then how to package it professionally, set up a payment system, automate delivery, and launch it into the world. No endless guessing. No wasting months in research mode. No needing to be perfect first. You do not need more motivation. You need a system that actually makes sense. If you're tired of watching everyone else build income online while you stay stuck in planning mode, this is your sign to move. Grab the Build and Launch Guide today and let this be the week everything changes.